Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question. It's a puzzle on geometry concepts. Here comes the question. Can you please pause the video, read the question, make an attempt and then continue watching this? Right. The question says there are 4 points A, B, C, D lie on a straight line in the xy plane such that AB equals to BC equals to CD and the length of AB is 1 meter. Let's draw the diagram. We have AB equals to BC equals to CD. Each is 1 meter. An ant at A from here wants to reach a sugar particle at D. But there are insect repellents kept at points B and C. Okay. The ant would not go within 1 meter of any insect repellent. The minimum distance in meters the ant must traverse to reach the sugar particle. Good. If there is insect repellent here, within 1 meter it should not go. So if this is the center, within 1 meter radius the ant cannot go. So what will be the area that within 1 meter radius? If you take this is the center, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter. So if you draw a circle taking B as the center, so from here the area covered by this circle is within 1 meter distance, so it should not go. Similarly, the repellent is not only there at B, it is also at C. So from C also within 1 meter it cannot go means, again if you take from C 1 meter radius, this is 1 meter, this is 1 meter, within 1 meter it cannot go means if you draw a circle, so this is that. So within 1 meter radius it cannot go. So that means within the circle it should not come. So it should go like this then. Now if you look at this, the ant is here, it should travel up to here. Now if I take this B from B, if I draw a perpendicular, so obviously it will be 90 degrees means it will be 1/4 of a circle. Now if you look at this, from here the ant come up to this point, let us say point E, right? And similarly if I take a point from C, if I draw a perpendicular, this point is F. See it travels like this. So it's not coming within 1 meter, it's just on the boundary. So it will travel up to E. From E it can go straight, because instead of coming like this and going up, it can go straight because we are talking about minimum distance. And from F again it can come like this. Then it is not coming within the circle. When it comes within the circle, it will be within 1 meter. It is going on the boundary means it is it's not coming that within 1 meter radius there. So now what will be the distance it travels now? If you see, the path that it can choose is A to E and then E to F, and then from there F to D. Now what is this A to E length? See, this is part of the circle's circumference or bound perimeter, which we call it as 2 pi r. But this is a quarter circle. If it is a quarter circle, it will be by 4 pi r by 2. Or I can tell you this, if you take this BAE, this is a sector, and this AE is the length of arc of the sector. Length of the arc formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Theta here is 90 degrees, 90 by 360 into 2 pi r if I take, this is 94 to 2. Is it not pi r by 2? Yes, but what is the radius here? This is 1 meter, so the 1 meter is the radius. So in the place of r I can substitute 1, so pi by 2. So this length AE is pi by 2. Plus what is EF? You know, AB equals to BC equals CD, and AB is 1 meter means BC is 1 meter. You have drawn a perpendicular, you have drawn a perpendicular. So obviously this also will be 1 meter. Next, what is FD? Again, like what we have, this AE, this FD also will be 1/4 of a circle's perimeter because the angle is 90 degrees. So again it will be pi by 2. If I write this, So pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi plus 1, our answer is choice 2. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi plus 1. Pi plus 1 is our answer. So pi plus 1 meters. So basically the point is you should not come within 1 meter radius. So accordingly you have to draw the diagram, right? So thank you.